Because if you're collecting, you have suspects or likely looking at the situation, because some people will burn a house down or burn a building down for insurance. And we know that things that they look for, burn patterns. Was a building occupied? Those are things that in other key factors. So we have a problem with that. If the prosecutor isn't doing his job or over at that office, that's something that the city attorney needs to speak with him and counsel too, to make sure that you can't just burn down the city, because they're also burning down other homes too.
Yes, ma'am.
So,
it's called burning of real property. That's a 4-year felony.
Yeah, exactly. And they look for those key things. It's a list that they look at before they say, okay, this may be arson, which then takes the investigation to be much longer. So I just want to, I understand how Councilman Pfeiffer his sentiments, because we're not stating at all that, go burn a vehicle or go burn a home. I'm not.
Okay.
I'm not. I never will.
Okay.
Not ever going to do that, because I have had to deal with someone who had to come home and after they pulled out 5 dead bodies.
Yes, ma'am.
And so when I've seen that and how it affects families, and it affected my family, it's serious. And so I want us just to be more proactive and to have good dialogue to solve the problem.
Yes,
and that's
ma'am.
why I asked you in May, was there anything we can do during budget time? Because I think that your staff is being overwhelmed. It's a lot on them. You're picking up people from drug overdoses, fires. It's a lot.
We're happy to serve.
Thank you.
All right, so anyone else?
Madam Chair,
Go ahead,
to
Mr.
the
Elmini.
Chief. Chief, what are some solutions that we can do as a community and as a council to assist you to maybe help try to curb some of this? I know myself, Councilwoman Lewis, Councilwoman Machette, we had went out, we installed fire installers in people's houses, smoke detectors and things like that. I know that can be a step towards educating the community as well, but what are some of the solutions? I hear a lot of the problems. What's some of the solutions that you think we could do?
We do a tremendous job of prevention. We put in around 2,500 smoke detectors in houses. We're not having a whole lot of fires in residential houses. If they are, they're very small because of those early warning systems that we've installed in those houses, and we're yet doing it. As a matter of fact, we are hiring about 10 part-time people, and that's all they're going to do, Council President, is put up smoke detectors. I don't need you no more, because we're going to put them up ourselves. So we're doing all we can preventive-wise. Education-wise, we're in the schools. The problem, as Ms. Burns is speaking of, is the rash of arsonists. People love to start fires, and we have to make ourselves a committee, police, fire, the law officers over in the county, prosecutors, that we can come up with a system also that we can monitor who it is and hone in on who is actually doing the burning, and take them down, as they say, hang them from the highest tree, or have them have a press conference and show them to the public what happens to arsonists, I guess. But we got to make sure that they are
So
guilty.
engage in the community and so for having you guys all work collaboratively